go. Today is Thursday. Excuse me. 1/15/26, right? So we're gonna take some notes, and you're gonna get the worksheet. It's gonna close. Your homework, let me show you, is going to be the back for homework, and we're gonna do percent change again, day 2. Period 1, we're gonna postpone your quiz. Period 2 and 3, not sure if we're gonna have a quiz on Friday or not because I'm out today. So maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. So homework is the back. You'll get this at the end of the period, and I'll collect everything homework-wise on Friday. Okay, so yesterday we learned percent change. If you were absent yesterday, check out the video because it is something brand new. This is part 2, so I'm going to go a little bit faster on the explanation. Percent change. You're going to do new minus old divided by old. Now, we didn't really have time to finish the worksheet from yesterday, so I'm going to take some time right now to kind of go over it again, because even if you were trying to do it, I saw a lot of mistakes figuring out what's the new price, what's the old price, okay? So, let's try it out. Let's say that a movie ticket, so let's write this down. A movie ticket cost $6 in 2010. Okay. Today it cost $20. Okay. Movie tickets have increased a lot. Now, when you read the problem, you have to figure out what's the new price, what's the old price. So circle 6, circle 20. Those are my 2 numbers. Which one's my new, which one's my old? Movie ticket costs $6 in 2010. So is $6 what's happening right now or the old price? This would be the old price. What's the new price? $20, sorry. So that's my new, okay? So we're going to put it in. New minus my old divided by the old. Now this is where kids were making a lot of mistakes yesterday. If you put the 20 down here, you'll get a wrong answer. It's not 20, it's 6. So we're going to put 6 down here. Okay? You have to make sure that bottom number is correct. So 20 minus 6 is 14 divided by 6. 14 divided by 6. Go ahead. If I simplify this by 2, I get 7 over 3, right? Okay. Okay, I get 2.33. Is that my answer? Nope. I still have to move it 2 times. 1, 2. So my answer would be 233%. 233%. Increase or decrease? Did the price go up or did the price go down? Price went up, so we're going to say 233% increase. Okay? All right. If you need to pause it for more time, go ahead. If not, I'm flipping the page. Okay, let's do one more problem together. The price of a
Jennifer Lorenzo, report to the front office. Jennifer Lorenzo, report to the front office, please.
The price of a box of candy was $10. Today it cost $6. Okay? It was Christmas candy, so it's on sale. Alright, so write that down. Alright. So, the price of a box of candy was $10. Today is $6, sorry. So, new minus old divided by old. You have 2 numbers, the 10 and the 6. Which of these 2 numbers is your new? Which of these 2 numbers is your old? The word was is past tense, so that should give you a clue. 10 is your old, 6 is your new. So new is 6 minus what's my old? 10 divided by what? What number goes here, the 6 or the 10? Correct answer is 10. So we're going to do the math. 6 minus 10 is 4 divided by 10. Right? 4 divided by 10 is 0.4. Now we got to turn this into a decimal, so move it 2 times. 1 and a 2. We should add a 0 there. So that would give me 40%. All right? New minus old divided by old. Okay. Pause it if you need to. All right. What we're going to do right now is we're going to take out this paper from yesterday. Find this paper from yesterday. If you were absent, Mr. Napier has a copy for you. If you have lost the one from yesterday, you can get an extra copy. Mr. Napier has it, but I'm going to take off points because you lost this paper, and I'm not happy with that. And so, yeah, so find it. Those who were absent will not lose points. You need to grab one from Mr. Napier. If you need a second copy, you're going to lose some points. Trust me, I'll know. All right, so go ahead, grab this extra copy of classwork for those who were absent on Wednesday. Pause it if you need to. All right, some of us only got 1 problem done, 2 problems max. So let's go over your answers. Stop, don't work ahead of me, because if you got these 2 questions wrong, you might get the rest wrong. So everybody just pay attention. I didn't see you working ahead. Don't. On Monday, the price of a balloon at Disneyland was $4. On Saturday, the price increased to 10. So 10 is my new. 4 is my old. So I'm going to go 10 minus 4 divided by 4. This gives me 6 over 4. When I divide it out, I get 1.0. 4 goes into 25 times. I get 1.5. Is that my answer? No, it is not. We have to move it 2 times. 1 and a 2. What do I add right here? A 0, so it's 150%. If you got that right, good job. If you got it wrong, fix it. I'm pretty sure that 4 is where the issue was. If you get 1.5, that does not mean 1.5%. You still got to move it twice. All right, let's see number 2. The volume of a box was 20 centimeters cubed. It increased to 60 centimeters cubed. If the centimeters cubed gets you confused, just ignore it. Just ignore it. What percent changes? The 20, is that new or is that old? The 60, new or old? Was gives you the biggest clue in the world that this would be the old. 60 is your new. That gives you all the information that you need. All right. So, new minus old divided by old. So the 20 goes on the bottom. I have 40 divided by 20. That gives me 2. 2 point. How many times do I move the decimal? 1, 2. Fill in the space with a 0. So this is
Jennifer Lorenzo, report to the front office.
Jennifer needs to go to the front office. At 200%. Okay. So when it goes up, went up by 150, went up by 200. Okay. So let's finish 3 and 4. Then on the back, again, same thing. Down here, you have some little review. This one is off, which means discount. And this one's combo, off and sales tax. So this one has 4 steps. This one has 2 steps. Okay. And then the top is percent change on the top. Okay. We're going to leave answer keys. So if you want to check your work, all of this will close at the end of the period. Should I give you more work? Let me look. I do have another sheet to give you on percent change, but I think I'll hold off on it. I'll hold off. So you're going to turn in this for 1 billion million points. Before the bell rings, Okay, so whatever technology you need to use, so make sure you turn in a picture of front and the back with work. No work, no points. Liam, no work, no points. Yeah, I will collect all the homework. If you are done early, you're done with this, and you're like, Mr. Napier, I'm done, I got it. He gives you the homework, fantastic. You can also work on Dreambox. Get those lessons done. It's due Sunday. Here, we're giving you some extra time. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow, Friday.